All right. So I want to go over this one worksheet, and some of y'all saw the answers, but that's okay. This is a worksheet that I found that was really good on translation, reflection, and rotation. I find this part fun for geometry or whatnot, whatever you're learning when you're learning these kinds of transformations. Okay, so on this worksheet, basically you have 8 things, and there are 24 parts. Okay, you are trying to, let me see if I can get closer so you can see it a little bit better. Okay, you are telling me which one of these is a translation. Okay, and just a reminder, translation just means sliding the figure over. So hopefully on this one, I'm going to find my marker. On this one, you would see this as a translation. And because translation's only T, I just put a T. So you slid this figure over to this position. All right. On the next one, let's look at this. Compared to your original picture, what does it look like to you? Hopefully, it looks like to you that you flipped the figure. Okay, I have a funny looking paperclip right here. If this represented this paperclip or this figure, and I flipped it and it became over here, do you see how that second figure is a reflection? Okay, so I just put REF for the reflection. Now, on this last one, obviously it's a rotation because you only use them once, okay? But I want you to see, okay? If I'm going to rotate this figure, see that where the dot is, I think this is a cow, okay? So this is a cow. This paper is, okay, excuse me, I think I just messed up this. Okay, so this cow, if I rotate the cow like this, the nose, it goes from where it was to, it can be like right here, which you notice it can be right here. Okay, so hopefully you're seeing that this is a rotation. My first thing that I solve on all of these are the translations, which are the easiest to distinguish because they are just slides. Okay, remember the slide is not going to change the position of the dot. Okay, so hopefully you understood that. While I have you watching this video, let's see if I can turn something over without showing you 100% of the answers. Okay, for instance, this is my other worksheet. Let's see if I can show it to you. Okay, and what you're supposed to be doing on this worksheet, it says reflect each of the shapes over the given line of symmetry. If this is your given line of symmetry, you notice, you see that reflection point? I'm going to put it on the opposite side. I did this in marker. It was a mistake. If you do this in pencil, it's a lot easier because then if you make a mistake, then you can just erase it. But I have a mistake on my mind because I used a marker. So anyways, you reflect each point over and then connect as you reflect. Now, some of you are going to be able to see it and you're going to connect and you'll be just fine. Some of us have a harder time seeing it and you need to do it point by point. Sometimes I do okay. Sometimes I don't do as well. Okay, but this is a reflection over this line of symmetry. And the line of symmetry on this one was diagonal. So it was a little bit different than the other. So I'll let you go work on the others and hopefully you get both of them. Just remember on Friday, you're going to be dropping off your pre-algebra book. Okay, and these 2 worksheets that were in your packet or online, whichever you got. So transformation and translation ones, and then check RenWeb for any missing work, especially in Bible also. Okay. Just remember, of course, I have down here the notes, and this is good to write in your notebook. I realize that you're going to be done this week, but writing it down just helps you remember things. So these are excellent definitions, easy definitions. Okay. So just keep that in mind, and I will see y'all on Friday. Looking forward to it.